name is Tasif Siddiqui and I am back with another video. And in this video I will be showing all the details of the bike, as I have not uploaded any video, and this will be the video which I will be uploading after a long time. Let's see what updates I have done in this bike. So few updates of the bikes are like the battery. This is 45Ah battery which I have recently built, and this gives me around 100 kilometers of range, and this is around 1.9 watt hour of battery. And this entire battery is divided into two parts. So you can see the second part of the battery. This is the separate one, and this gives me around 40 kilometers of range. So in total it gives me 140 kilometers of range, and this is my backup battery. So here's the motor. I don't think so it will be visible, but I will tell you the specifications of this motor. This motor is around of 1000 watts, and the peak power of this motor is 2500 watts, and this motor is capable of taking around 200 to 300 kg of weight. Okay, and this is completely copper winding, built with copper winding, and I am sure that nothing is going to happen if you use this motor. Like from 3 years I have been using this motor, and there is no problem in this. But time to time you have to change the bearings and all this. You have to see the maintenance work of this bike. So you can open the tank using this lock, and there are keys attached with the main key. So this is how you can remove it. You just have to open the cover, and here is the controller of 1000 watts motor. So here there is a computer which I have used on my bike, which is completely work with touch. You can also connect keyboard, mouse, pen drive, whatever you require, and you can also connect it to internet. Comes with Windows 10, and the good thing is you can see here you can connect two keyboards. I mean to say there are two USB ports. You can connect your keyboard, mouse or pen drive. There is exhaust fan here which actually removes all the heat. If you want to build similar project, you will find the details in the description. So there is a cover to cover this computer, and if you want to remove the computer, for example if I want to park it somewhere and you are afraid that someone might rob it, you can actually remove it. I will show you how to remove this thing and unscrew this thing, and the entire computer will be out. So you can see some switches are there. So this switch is used to change the speed, first mode, second mode, and there is no third mode in this bike. First and second mode, first and second mode. And here there is one switch used for forward and reverse, and headlight on off, horn, side light and high beam. And now the rear brake is here, and front brake is here. And here there is a small wattmeter which actually shows me the current voltage of the bike, current wattage the motor is consuming, peak wattage, ampere and everything. All the details which are required is displayed here. And you can see here I have used one proximity sensor to detect the stand, and it is the safety feature of the bike. When the bike is resting on the stand, the bike won't start. There was some space in this, so I have actually built a small toolbox. So here's the reverse mode of this bike. And guys, good news is very soon I will be going to Hyderabad, as Hero is organizing one event. Hero Electric is organizing one event in which around 20 plus teams have participated, including me. And I am not a team, I am individual. So let's see how it goes, and this complete bike will be customized very soon because it is not meeting the requirements. For example, the battery casing, I will be rebuilding the entire battery casing because they need inlet and outlet fans which will be used as exhaust. They want the charging ports and all this stuff which is not there on the battery. So I will be customizing the battery, I will be customizing the tank, I will be rebuilding the entire tank with my hands using fiberglass and resin. And now the bike is single seat, it will be double seat I think so I will be putting split seat on this bike, very much likely. And thank you so much guys for watching my video, and always support by giving like, subscribe and sharing. Thank you so much.